Radio City Mutant Hall.
Cool. Crosstown Express? Woo! Yeah! Hey, a phone booth. I can call my nephew. Whoa, a real live robot. Or is that some kind of cheesy New Year's costume?
Bite my shiny metal ass. Listen, buddy, I'm in a hurry here. Let's try for a twofer.
Please select mode of death.
Yeah, I'd like to place a collect call.
You have selected slow and horrible.
My name's Bender.
Help! What's happening?
You are now dead.
Ah, lousy, stinking rip-off.